Hi friend, in today's video I'm sharing with you my favorite easy to make a chicken thigh recipe. Let's get started. Ingredients you need to make this recipe is 1.5 pound of chicken thigh, 1 tablespoon of brown sugar, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, 1 tablespoon of garlic, 1 tablespoon of paprika, add 1 tablespoon of oregano, 1 tablespoon of black pepper, half tablespoon of salt, half cup of fresh chopped onion, add oil of your choice for coating a chicken. For me right now I'm using olive oil. So mix all ingredients together and make sure everything is coated and well mixed together. Mix, keep mixing. Keep mixing, make sure all ingredients are mixed together. Let it sit in the fridge to marinate for a minimum 2 hours or 4 hours. I usually marinate my chicken for 4 hours before cooking. You can marinate your chicken overnight in the fridge if you have more time. I am back after 4 hours. This is what my chicken looks like. It smells nice already. It's very tender and has a lot of juice. Now preheat your oven for 425 degrees And put your marinated chicken in a pot and bake for 45 minutes. I am also cooking side vegetables. While waiting for the oven to warm up, I'm prepping my vegetables. The oven is ready. It's time to add the chicken thigh in the oven and cook for 25 minutes. After 25 minutes of chicken cooking in the oven, add in the oven your vegetables and let it cook for another 20 minutes. This will prevent your vegetables from being overcooked. Look, my chicken is ready. The house smells amazing and the chicken tastes delicious. You can enjoy this meal with your favorite side dishes. Thank you so much for watching my video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel. Bye.